For 55 million years, the Amazon rainforest has thrived, its roots tracing back to when dinosaurs roamed, shaping a vast ecosystem across South America. As a carbon sink, the Amazon absorbs 2 billion tons of CO2 annually, mitigating climate change by locking away carbon in its 400 billion trees, housing 2.5 million insect species, 40,000 plants, and 3,000 freshwater fish. The Amazon is the world's most diverse ecosystem, with new species found yearly. The Amazon River, stretching 4,345 miles, pumps 200,000 cubic meters of water per second into the Atlantic, feeding ecosystems and global ocean currents. Through transpiration, trees like the Brazil nut release water vapor, generating 75% of the Amazon's rainfall, a cycle critical to its survival. What makes this forest so alive? The jaguar, a 200-pound apex predator with rosette-spotted fur, hunts at dusk, using rivers as playgrounds and ambushing prey with stealth. Two-toed sloths, like 15-year-old Luna, hang upside down, digesting leaves over weeks, their algae-covered fur camouflaging them from harpy eagles. Scarlet macaws, with vibrant red and blue feathers, form lifelong bonds, cracking nuts with 2,000-pound force beaks in flocks of 30. Golden poison dart frogs, just 2 inches long, carry toxins in their neon yellow skin, potent enough to kill 10 humans, a defense honed by diet. Cocoa trees, 25 feet tall, grow pods on trunks, their bitter seeds scattered by monkeys, sustaining wildlife and ancient Mesoamerican economies. Over 400 tribes, like the 50-year-old Yanomami shaman Turi Kopanawa, use 3,000 medicinal plants, sustaining the forest through ancient knowledge. The Kayapo, like 35-year-old warrior Mebgaker Rayoni, hunts sustainably, planting trees to ensure game, living in harmony with the forest's cycles. The Shipibo Kanibo, guided by 40-year-old healer Rosa Kuratama, use ayahuasca ceremonies to commune with forest spirits, guiding conservation. Tribes like the Munduruku, led by 38-year-old Chief Alessandra Korope, lose land to loggers, fighting to protect 5 million acres from encroachment. Indigenous practices like the Ticanaz agroforestry inspire sustainable models, with 25% of modern medicines derived from Amazon plants. Since 1970, 20% of the Amazon 800,000 square miles has been raised for soy and cattle, endangering species like the 200-pound tapir. In 2023, 36,000 fires burned 2 million acres, releasing 500 million tons of CO2, choking cities like São Paulo with smoke. Gold mining in Madre de Dios, Peru, dumps 40 tons of mercury yearly, sickening fish and people like 30-year-old ECJ fisherman Juan Quispe. Poaching, targeting macaws and jaguars, fuels a $23 billion black market, disrupting ecosystems by removing key species. Rising temperatures and erratic rains, up 1.5 degrees Celsius since 1900, stress species like the glass frog, risking a tipping point by 2030. Who's fighting to stop this? The Munduruku, led by 42-year-old Chief Juarez, used GPS to monitor 3 million acres, stopping illegal loggers with river patrols. At Brazil's Impa, 45-year-old Dr. Maria Santos catalogs 10,000 new species, the blue morpha butterfly, to justify conservation zones. Brazil's $500 million Amazon Fund, backed by Norway, restored 500,000 acres in 2024, planting 1 million trees with local communities. Drones like those run by 28-year-old Ana Lima's startup seeded 100,000 trees in 2024. While satellites track deforestation in real time, ecotourism, employing 2,000 locals like 33-year-old guide Pedro Huanca, funds conservation while teaching visitors about the Amazon's value. Can the Amazon heal its wounds? Once flowing westward 100 million years ago, the Andes rise reversed the Amazon River, now the planet's largest by volume to the east. Near Manaus, the Rio Negro's black waters and the Amazon's muddy flow run side by side for 6 miles, spectacle of temperature and density. The Piratacu, a 440-pound air-breathing fish, thrives in oxygen waters, hunted sustainably by locals like 40-year-old fisherman Jose Lima. Giant otters, 6 feet long, live in family groups of 20, defending river dens from jaguars while eating 9 pounds of fish daily. The world's largest freshwater archipelago, with 400 islands, hosts unique ecosystems, shaped by the Rio Negro's meandering over millennia. What threatens these waters? Harpy eagles, with 7-foot wingspans, snatch sloths and monkeys. Raising 1 chick every 3 years, their rarity tied to forest loss. Capybaras, 150-pound rodents, graze 89 plant species, coexisting with turtles and birds, their numbers dwindling near deforested rivers. Victoria Amazonica lilies, with 10-foot leaves, support 176 pounds, their sturdy ribs a marvel in tranquil Amazon floodplains. Victoria Amazonica lilies, with 10-foot leaves, support 176 pounds, their sturdy ribs a marvel in tranquil Amazon floodplains. Green anacondas, 550-pound constrictors, swim at 10 miles per hour, ambushing capybaras, their habitats shrinking as rivers are dammed. Can this balance be restored? Yasuni National Park, safeguarding 1 million acres, saw jaguar populations rise 15% by 2025, thanks to strict anti-poaching patrols. The Ticuna, led by 37-year-old farmer Clara Yana, plant 10,000 trees yearly, blending agroforestry with tourism to fund conservation. AI used by 30-year-old techie Diego Cruz tracks deforestation via satellites, alerting rangers to illegal logging in real time. In 2025, 20 nations pledged $1 billion to the Amazon, training 5,000 locals like 25-year-old guide Sofia Tupa in sustainable practices. The Amazon's oxygen, biodiversity, and climate role are humanity's lifeline. Its survival hinges on collective action now. What will we do to save it? The Amazon rainforest is more than a wilderness, it's Earth's heartbeat, a cradle of life sustaining us all. From jaguars stalking rivers to indigenous guardians fighting for their home, it weaves a story of resilience and hope. but its future teeters on the edge. Will we let it fade into silence, or rise to protect this living treasure? Subscribe, share your thoughts below, and join us to explore more wonders of our planet. The Amazon's pulse is ours to save.